Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing box.gg. So if you don't know what this website is, it is basically a website that will let you open up virtually Pokemon box cards or Pokemon TCG cards virtually and CS2 boxes and other skins from different games. So as you can see, they're not available in my region. And if you're wondering if this website is legit, let's go over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews are 4.0 out of 5 stars, which is great for 242 reviews. So let's see all the reviews here. So many people are saying that it is a great site, great customer service, clear odds, box is great, great concept, good site, received all the cards and slabs in great condition. It's the most easiest way to get best cards you want. Very amazed hitting a Moonbryon. I don't know what this is, maybe an Umbreon on Pokemon. Massive hit, I had the $10 card. Best place if you want to spend $1,000 on a booster box and chase a card. 100% recommends. Great website, and you get the gist of it. A lot of people are saying good things about this website. So if it is available in your region, I think you should go ahead and try it if you want. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.